A'udhu billahi minasyaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah Sayyidina Nabi Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in wa ba'd. Alhamdulillah, I am Jamil Islam Lumano. I am newly embraced Islam. The reason why I embrace Islam, because I found the truth. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. Alhamdulillah, I am now a Muslim. For me, accepting Islam is the best decision I have ever made in my life. It raised my moral and spirit very high. I felt relief and contentment, which I never felt before. And for me, Islam is the greatest wealth in my life. No matter what happens, I will never change my religion until I die. Whatsoever, ever, and forever. I am now totally at peace. May Allah will protect and guide me to strengthen my faith. And may I live and die for Allah. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen.